So guys, we're going na mga babies. Ito ang aming service. E-bike at tricycle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Damon malita.
Yeah, luggage.
Papaupuin mo yung ano, makuha ka mo sa nga safe.
Duha.
Ano nga safe?
So guys, ngayon ang aming alis. Bye-bye house na. Oh. Bye-bye house na. Wala to CR. Bye-bye, Chance. Bye-bye. Ha? Good boy na ikaw, ha?
Ma! Ma!
Oh, do you want to put this?
Yeah.
Ma!
May toilet paper na dala-dala, guys.
It's a luxury.
Miyan ba try ko kung pera ko?
So, guys, mag-van lang kami. Awa din.
Cheers. Hi, Chance. Hi, Chance.
Sige, te. Dili ko na lang doon. Bye-bye, Chance. Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Be a good boy.
Long day. Long day. 6:30. Start off at 8 o'clock. Long day.
Set it to Rusty. Rusty, we're back.
You sleeping? Oh, sorry.
Oh. Oh. Rusty. Oh. Dinala ito, Ping. Kaya mabugat ito. Yan nala ito mag-alsa. Okay, excited.
Excited? Yes, you're so excited. Most excited when you had all week. You're the most excited you've been all week, man.
Alone. Oh, Rusty. Kakababalik lang namin.
Oh, yeah. It's a big day. Big day for Rusty.
Oh, Rusty. Si Rusty Balasti!
Well, thank you, man.
Ay! Rusty! Wala, tayo lang dito.
Oh.
No?
Wala.
Oh, added na.
Put it in the drawer.
Ah, in the drawer. Sige, Marge, tulog ka na.
Oh, Rusty.
May pasok ka bukas, no? Oo, sige. Turog na. Kami na lang din eh. Oh, ginlak na nga to? Oh, sige.
Oh, happy birthday. That's not really your birthday. I was just kidding. You're such a good doggy.
Rusty! Oh. Oh, he went to... He's also going to bed. Do you want anything, Tom?
You're crazy for a minute. Yes, you're working. Oh, we missed you so much. Yes, we did.
What did you say?
I don't know what I said. I don't know what you said. I don't know what anybody said. What are we talking about?
Food? You want food?
10:30.
Oh, Rusty! Get down, Rusty! Oh.
What do you want? The good stuff, Rusty? Come have the good stuff. All right, buddy. Just unpack and then repack, Rusty. Unpack and repack again.
So guys, grabe guys yung biyahe namin dahil yung sikat sa amin, pasaway. Wala na namang biyahe. Kaya nag-long trip na naman kami. So nagbaya Tacloban kami and then Tacloban to Ormoc van and then Ormoc to Cebu. So mahabang biyahe. Instead na 5 hours lang, yung direct from Catbalogan to Cebu, 5 hours lang. Cancelled na naman dahil sirada yung makina nila. So, ayun, wala kaming choice kasi hindi ako nag-book ng flight. Kasi ine-expect ko kasi na magsisikat kami, yung direct nga. Pero okay lang naman yung biyahe. And then, nakarating din kami ng safe. Yeah, thank you, Lord. We are safe. Diba, Rusty? Rusty. Did you miss us, Rusty? Rusty? Did you miss us? Wala si Valen. Wala si Valen. Ha? Rusty. Rusty. Rusty, Rusty, Rusty. So, kami lang dito, guys. Sila mama, papa, andun pa sa Samar kasi may asikasuhin pa sila doon. So, nauna na lang kami dito kasi pupunta kasi kami sa Palawan in the next few days. And then, yung kapatid ko din na babae, nagpaiwan din kasi may gagawin din siya doon. Dito na kasi siya nag-stay for good for now kasi dito niya balak magtrabaho. Graduate na kasi siya ng criminology, nakapasa na rin siya ng exam, ng board exam. So dito sila mag-stay dito sa bahay. So sila yung may iwan dito pag wala kami dito ni Tom. So ayun, so what can you say about our trip?
Rough. Very rough.
Long drive.
Rough. Ooh, Rusty got me covered.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh God! The Lord is coming. The Lord is
Stay! Oh, madiliman tayo. Turn on natin ang lights. Yan. Lights, yes! Light it up. Yeah. Yeah, here is so quiet. In our house in summer is chaos.
Too much.
Too much for my husband. Yeah, I miss the kids already. I miss the babies already. Huh?
This is non-alcoholic, so you can drink from this. Don't worry about alcohol. There's no alcohol. It says non-alcoholic. What are you gonna eat?
Oh. Rusty, why did you scratch
He's
Tommy?
just happy to see me. Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
Why did you scratch Tom? Oh,
No.
that's
Down,
enough,
down,
Rusty.
Down.
Down. Rusty.
Rusty one. He's the rusty one.
Rusty.
Rusty.
Let's turn on all the lights.
Yeah, turn on
Let's
the
have
damn
fun.
Oh, damn light. Let's get some ice. Get some ice in these glasses.
Here, do you have lots of stuff here?
Snacks. Sure.
Oh, they have tomato paste. Oh, they're cookies. Oh, there's cookies here. Here, let's have some sweet tooths. So guys, ito. Oh, ang sarap nito.
Toast we got home. No, 12 hours.
Where
to
do you get
home.
ice from there?
Bottom.
Oh, from the bottom? Oh. Oh yeah, there's
Ice maker.
that's ice maker there. Yeah. That's good refrigerator.
All right.
It has water, you can get water,
Mm-hmm.
cold water, and then there's ice maker.
Yep. Ice maker, Rusty.
Ooh.
Non-alcoholic. No alcohol. No alcohol, Rusty. What do you think about that? Cupcakes in there.
Cupcake.
Taco.
Oh, this is empty. I think they're still gonna use that. You want one?
Can't do it. Can't do it.
So guys, puro sweet. 3 cookies and then ito.
Yeah. How come your parents don't put the eggs in the refrigerator?
Yeah, here in the Philippines, Tom, they don't.
Makes a mess of it. My egg lasts a long time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, here in the Philippines, guys, di ba? Yung mga eggs nila hindi nilalagay sa ref. Kasi sa US, nilalagay namin sa ref. Bumili ako ng mais sa Ormoc Pier. Kaya bumili ako ng 2. 50 pesos yung parang 3 peraso. And then, bumili rin ako ng binagol. Sa Tacloban to.
This is more like it. Alcohol. I had that one in there.